So the second part of this chapter deals with quadratic simultaneous equations. That's where you have one linear equation, there's no square anywhere, and one quadratic equation. Now you always solve these in the same way. You take the linear equation and make x or y the subject, and then you substitute that into the second equation. Well, with this way, it's much easier to make x the subject than y the subject. So we'll make x subject by saying it's simply 3 take away 2y, just bringing that across. And then I need to substitute that in. So I can see I'm going to need to work out x squared, so I'm just going to work this out separately. So x squared is going to be 3 minus 2y times 3 minus 2y, 9 minus 6y minus 6y plus 4y squared. So it's 4y squared minus 12y plus 9. I'm also going to need 3xy. So that's going to be 3y times x, so 3y times 3 minus 2y, so that's going to be 3 times 3y, 9y, 3y times 2y, 6y squared minus 6y squared. So x squared is this, 3xy is this, I just need to add them together and make it equal to 10. So I've got 4y squared minus 12y plus 9, that's x squared, plus 3xy, 9y, take away 6y squared, equals 10. I'm just going to rearrange this and make it equal to 0. So if I've got 4y squared take away 6y squared, it's minus 2y squared, minus 12y plus 9y is minus 3y, and I've just got plus 9 equals 10. The reason I've brought 10 across now is I don't like this minus 2y squared. But I'm going to move all of these over to this side to make the squared, the coefficient of the y squared part to be positive. So that'll give me 2y squared plus 3y, so those two move over, and then plus 9 moves over as minus 9, so plus 1 equals 0. So I need to factorise a quadratic. I can factorise, I can complete the square, or I can use quadratic formula. I'm going to try and factorise, that should be my go-to method. So now it's got to be 2y and 2y to make 2y squared. Because this is a plus and this is a plus, the only way that's ever going to happen is both of these are plus. And the only way of making 1 is if it's 1 and 1. So let's just check that makes the middle term 3y. y, 2y combines to make 3y. So give me two solutions. Y is minus a half and y is minus 1. Remember, you're trying to work out where the brackets are equal to 0. Don't forget to work out x. X is 3 take away 2y. So x is going to be 3 minus 2 lots of this. So minus 2 times minus a half is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And then I've got 3 minus 2 lots. Minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. 3 plus 2 is 5. So those are the solutions. So x is 4, y is minus a half, and x is 5, y is minus 1. We can write those as coordinates, or just make sure it's really crystal clear which x belongs to which y. Okay, that was the only example for exercise 3b, so crack on with that.